Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unfriend someone on the Heyday game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Heyday game on your device, and once you have completed the basic tutorial levels, you will gain access to the feature by which you can add or remove your friends. Now, once you have added someone as your friend and you wish to remove them, tap on the Friends tab at the bottom right corner and you will be shown your friends list as well. If you tap on your friend from this page, you will simply end up within their neighborhood. So tap on the book icon at the left side and this will open all of your friend book. Simply tap on in-game friends and this will show you all of your in-game friends that you have. Simply tap on any friend that you want to delete and then tap on the unfriend button and this friend will immediately be unfriended from your Heyday account. You can also tap on the gear icon at the top left and turn off receive in-game friend requests if you don't want anyone to send you friend requests. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to unfriend someone from your friend list on the Heyday game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.